Trash Patrol drone just collected first trash from the real lake. This is a summary about our second water test for our Trash Patrol drone. The first and the interesting goal was to transport it to the lake. It's turned out that Tanabadi's car is too small for the drone. So after we've made tests, we tried to put it in the car, and then I've remembered that one of the goals for the drone was to make it transportable with a Scoopy. It's actually went pretty well. And then we slowly drove to the lake, and after we arrived, we started to prepare the drone for water tests. We attached propellers, attached the drone box, but we discovered that there was an issue with the drone box connectors. This is one of the points for our future engineering upgrade. Another thing that we need to work on is GPS control, how to unlock this area or maybe use another software. We also discovered the limitations for the remote control antenna, so we will place it outside the electronic box to make the range wider. We drove the drone around the lake for more than an hour and the battery still worked. We also tested our tubes, so the tubes are not leaking. And well done, team! On the next meeting, we will discuss steps to improve our results and move forward to the next water test. Thank you everyone for helping. Thank you for your support, and see you in Pirate Bay at 7 p.m.